I'm often asked, can I use French ink wall paint in my Wagner paint sprayer? Well, the answer is yes, as long as you dilute it a fraction. Give it a good stir up in your can first, then pour it into the reservoir and add between 5 to 10% water. Stir this up, connect the head, and then you're ready to start paint spraying. I'm using the extension handle on my Wagner, which gives me an extra 2-foot reach, about 600 millimeters, which allows easy access to the ceiling. Now, before you fill the attachment up with your paint, make sure that the paint flow tube is pointing towards the back when you're spraying ceilings like this. This allows the paint to be drawn from the bottom of the reservoir when the paint's running low. As you can see, I've masked up around the sides, covering up the OSB walls so I don't get any overspray on them. When doing a large area like this, I tend to do about 1 meter at a time, spraying it from left to right, covering each passover by about 50%. Now, this extension handle works with almost all Wagner handheld paint sprayers from the consumer range. And as you can see, after diluting French ink's paint down, it's flying through the paint sprayer no problem. Considering this is only the first coat, I've got to admit, it's looking fantastic already. Once you've got your masking in position, this is about 4 or 5 times quicker than using the old-fashioned way of using a paintbrush and roller. Once you've applied your first coat, leave this to dry for about 20 minutes, then you can apply your second layer in a cross-coat fashion. When you're spraying indoors and above your head, do be sure to wear a dust mask and some safety specs. Hopefully I've inspired you to paint spray your ceilings. If you're looking for more inspiration, follow us on all social media handles and don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, Mr. and Mrs. DIY.